In this video, you're going to learn about the violoncello, or cello for short, including its string notes, massive range, and timbre. The cello is tuned one octave below the viola and is often regarded as one of the most beautiful sounding and emotive string instruments. Perhaps because it's less piercing than the violin, but just as expressive. From low to high, its tuning is C1, G1, D2, and A2. Since it has a longer fingerboard, the cello's range is quite a lot larger than its smaller siblings is too. From C1, it can stretch all the way up to C5, a full 4 octaves. Cello parts are written in the bass clef, unless, like with the viola, there are extended sections in the higher register, in which case the tenor clef can be used to avoid too many ledger lines. The timbre of the cello could be described as full, warm, and sonorous, similar to a male chest voice. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button for more music composition, production, and industry tips. If you want to learn more about the string section, sign up to my free email video course by following the link in the description. And finally, let me know what else you'd like to learn about by leaving me a comment.